Welcome to today's video on Law of Attraction Success Stories, where we will explore real-life examples of manifestation. The Law of Attraction is a powerful universal principle that states that like attracts like. By harnessing the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we can manifest our desires and create the life we truly desire. In this video, we will delve into inspiring success stories from individuals who have experienced the transformative power of the Law of Attraction in their lives. These stories will illustrate the limitless possibilities and potential that exist when we align our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desires. From financial struggles to abundance. John, a hard-working individual, had been struggling with financial challenges for years. Despite his best efforts, he found himself in a cycle of scarcity and lack. However, he decided to shift his mindset and adopt the Law of Attraction principles. John began visualizing and affirming financial abundance daily. He focused on gratitude for the money he had and the opportunities that would come his way. Within a few months, unexpected job offers and financial opportunities began to manifest. John's finances improved dramatically, and he experienced a complete turnaround in his financial situation. Attracting a dream job. Sarah had been unhappy in her job for years. She desired a fulfilling career that aligned with her passions and talents. She decided to apply the Law of Attraction principles to manifest her dream job. Sarah created a vision board, visualizing herself in her desired role, and wrote affirmations that reflected her career aspirations. She focused on feeling grateful for the opportunities that were on their way. Shortly after, she received an unexpected job offer that perfectly matched her vision and brought her immense joy and fulfillment. Healing and health transformation. Emma, who had been battling a chronic health condition, decided to explore the power of the Law of Attraction to improve her well-being. She began to visualize herself in a state of vibrant health, affirming her body's innate ability to heal. Emma focused on gratitude for her body's resilience and the progress she was making. Over time, she experienced significant improvements in her health, and her condition started to subside. Emma's journey showcased the potential of the Law of Attraction to facilitate healing and transformation. Manifesting love and relationships. Lisa had struggled to find a loving and fulfilling relationship. Feeling discouraged, she decided to employ the Law of Attraction to manifest her ideal partner. Lisa started by clarifying her desires and created a vision board representing the qualities and characteristics she sought in a partner. She engaged in self-love practices, focused on gratitude for the love she already had in her life, and affirmed that she was worthy of a loving relationship. Before long, Lisa attracted a partner who embodied all the qualities she had envisioned, and they embarked on a deeply fulfilling and loving relationship. Achieving personal growth and success. Tom, a young entrepreneur, desired to take his business to new heights. He immersed himself in the Law of Attraction principles, visualizing his business thriving and attracting success. Tom focused on gratitude for his current achievements and the opportunities that would come his way. As he aligned his thoughts, beliefs, and actions with his vision, he experienced exponential growth in his business, secured major contracts, and achieved remarkable success. These real-life success stories highlight the transformative power of the Law of Attraction. Through the conscious alignment of thoughts, beliefs, and actions with desires, individuals have manifested abundance, fulfilling careers, improved health, loving relationships, and personal growth. By embracing the principles of the Law of Attraction, individuals have the ability to unlock their full potential and manifest their dreams and desires. These success stories serve as powerful reminders that we have the power to shape our reality and create the life we truly desire. The Law of Attraction teaches us that our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions have a direct impact on our experiences and outcomes.